Hi, my name is Annie. I am a resident at one of the buildings of Niagara Regional Housing, and I've been there for a little bit more than 2 years and really enjoy it. Beautiful building, brand new when we moved in, actually, and it is a home that we thought that we would never have. When I talk about human book, when they asked me to, if I want to participate, I thought it was a very good idea because many people out there don't know what is housing, and that there are people in the community that have no idea that there is a place where they can call on the door or knock on the door and call and say, "I need a place to live, housing." And I thought my voice might make a difference. We came from a different country. English is not even my first language, but I'm trying my very best to communicate in it. When we came to Canada, we really were in a country where we don't even sometimes understand English because there's English and then there's English. We lived in South Africa, that is a British English. We lived in the United States. I don't know what to call that language, but it's definitely not Canadian English. But when we came here, we had to stay with our children after that. And we felt that we lose our identity because you have to adjust to your children and their lifestyle. And although it is so wonderful and so beautiful to be with our children, we don't have grandchildren, and I got a grand dog. But anyways, it's wonderful that we can be with them, but it's even more wonderful to be on our own, especially when you get older. You lose your identity, and you don't know what to say anymore to them because it's always them and us. It was wonderful for us that they called us one day and say, "There is a space available." And it's like, oh my word, it is wonderful. We couldn't wait to move in because the building was still in last stages of being finished up. But I went there. Wasn't even supposed to be on the premises, but I went there and I wanted to look at this place, and I wanted to look at this place, and it was so wonderful to just get in there. They gave us everything we needed, everything that we didn't have. And we praise the Lord for that. And we're so thankful that our humanity sort of come back, and we feel that we are members of the community, but also members of the place that we live in, of the company, or I don't even know if you can call it a company, but Niagara Housing. It's wonderful to be a part of them. And what else can I say then? Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for making it possible for us to do that, to get the feeling in our heart of being accepted. That is important because when you give a person a place to live, a place to make their own, you give them identity and you make it easier for them to just love life again. Thank you for that. We appreciate that so much. I would like to name my book Identity Restored.